Hey everyone, welcome back to another YouTube video, and in this video I'll be showing you guys how to fix Messenger voice/video call not working. First of all, enable microphone and camera in settings. Go to settings, search for Messenger and make sure the camera and photos option is open. Then go ahead and restart the app by swiping it up from the bottom of your screen and then swipe it away. After that, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data to rule out network issues. Then go ahead and open your app store, search for Messenger and then make sure the app is updated to the latest version. Safety tip: avoid answering calls from unknown accounts. Quick fix: reinstall Messenger, and that's it.